Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. Bojan Dulabic here. So, would you like to know how to shoot toys to make them look more cinematic? Stay tuned. If you want to achieve cinematic shots using toys, there's a few things you got to keep in mind. So for example, background or foreground objects are something you should really consider making practically, because they will help you to make things look a lot more believable. So in this case, in the background, I'm using a few simple things. All of these items have been purchased from the dollar store, so it's not gonna break the bank. I got some foliage in the background with some small stones and a plant that looks like a tree from a certain angle. On the ground, I'm just using a black sheet of paper, and then I have a sheet of paper with clouds on it in the background. Again, all from the dollar store, and this is the shot that I was able to get. The camera is on a very low angle, which makes the object seem even bigger than it is. And then all you have to do is add some color grading to it and widescreen bars to the top and the bottom, and this is the final result. And here's what the image looks like. Same rules apply. It's a very low angle shot. You see more of the sky. In this case, the skies were replaced in Luminar 4 just to make it a bit more dramatic. And here's some more examples of other toys. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a few things to keep in mind. Some of them I already mentioned in the video. Having a low angle shot always helps. I mean, that's, you know, filmmaking in general. If you want to make something or someone seem more menacing, you would usually shoot them from a low angle, you know, shooting up, you know, and same with objects, right? So same thing applies here. You know, keep that, you know, angle low, and the object's definitely going to appear bigger, right? Your depth of field matters here. So, you know, if you have a small object, you probably don't want to use a fast lens, or, you know, you shouldn't crank up the aperture to 1.4 or whatever it is. Maybe you want to go down to 6, 7, 8, you know, something like that, just to get more things in focus. Right? So again, that depends on the size of the objects, what you want to show and all that stuff, but that does matter, right? So, you know, something to keep in mind. And as I mentioned, foreground, background elements do matter if you want to make it more realistic. You know, I mean, you are shooting toys, we get that, but if you want to make it more realistic, having more elements always helps. And it doesn't have to be a lot. As you saw with my examples, there really wasn't a lot there. It was just a few elements, and I moved them around, changed the scene depending on what it is that I was shooting, and it definitely helps, right? So yeah, that's that, guys. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends and all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.